guys, what's up? Welcome back to another beautiful YouTube video. I think it's been a year that I sat and filmed down something for YouTube, but I really want to game up my YouTube channel. So I really hope that I'll be active on this channel too. So please support me. So today I thought I'll just come here, show you my night skincare routine, which is extremely very basic. And also few days back, after thinking for like many weeks, I finally decided to buy something for my hair, and I wanted to share with you all about what it is and all. So I recently ordered this one. This is the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So you guys know that I have extremely fine hair and nothing actually works for my hair. I really wanted to do something for my hair. I really wanted to do something for my hair every time, but I don't know. I become extremely lazy. I just bun it up and that's all. But this time I thought, no, I should not be so lazy. So I thought I'll get something like this. So also let me try it here right in front of you. So this will be like first impression stuff, because I just opened it, so you guys will get to see how this one works and everything. So if you want to know more about this hair appliance, what I just got, stay tuned. And now let's start with my skincare by Chich. So guys, this is going to be a simple 4-step skincare routine, and this is the toner I'm using. I will link down every product I'll be showing here or talking about in the description, so you can check that out. But tell me, you guys, in the comments, how are you coping up in these difficult times? How are you all feeling? I don't know, it is very uncertain. Days are uncertain. You never know what is going to happen when. So this is my first step. I just use the toner, and I really love how hydrating my skin instantly feels right after toning. And you guys know, if you didn't know, follow me on Instagram for tips like this. I use my toner twice. I go with my toner twice because I really like the way my skin feels right after toning. So it is one of the techniques I learned from one of Korean creators. Like, they do this, so I'm like, why not? And it actually works for me also. Like, you can see how healthy my skin instantly looks or feels like. Also, I think there is lockdown in most of the places, so how are you feeling? Definitely it is not definitely it is not as same as it was last year. It is definitely different, but how are you dealing with it? So for me, I don't say, how do I tell you, even last time I have mentioned this, it is not any different for me because I usually don't go out much, so ఇంట్లోనే ఉంటాను కాబట్టి నాకు అంత డిఫరెన్స్ అనిపించదు. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ టోనింగ్ ఐ యామ్ మూవింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ విత్ మై వైటమిన్ సి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్ ఫ్రమ్ Dr. Sheth's. I've been really enjoying this vitamin. This is something which I've been loving lately, you guys. I really am loving it. Also, if you guys notice, I've been breaking out, okay? My skin feels really good for about like 3 days, and 4th day is here breakout. Who should we blame? The weather. I think it's the weather because I didn't change my skincare routine. It's the same. I'm not experimenting, but I still see breakouts here and there, and I think it's because of the summers, because my summers are really hard on my skin. I've been ranting about this on my Instagram lately. If you're not following me on my Instagram already, please do that. And yeah, after my vitamin C, I'm moving on with the moisturizer. This is from Want. It is the BFF. This is my second bottle. I really love it so much. I'm just waiting for this to come on Vanity Wagon. Hopefully it will soon. Also, now let's talk about weddings. So May and June are full of, muhurtalu and all, and most of the bride-to-bees were supremely excited because the weddings are here and all. But unfortunately, this lockdown happened and many states have restrictions and all. So if you are a bride-to-be and if you're watching this video, what kind of a wedding are you looking forward for? Are you okay with a simple wedding, or are you looking forward to do this court marriage thing? Otherwise, are you going to wait for some time that things settle down and then you want this big fat Indian wedding? Let me know what you think about it. But if you ask me, I really don't want this big fat Indian wedding. I never really picturized my marriage that way anytime. Like, that is not something which I always imagined. Okay, I always wanted my wedding to be a simple wedding. If the lockdown or not, I really prefer a kutti wedding as such. So let me know what you prefer and what are your thoughts. And also, I totally get the feeling every bride to be is facing these days. We really can't do anything. Let's just hope for the best. But it would be really nice if you guys plan something. Where I mean guys, I meant you and your partner, because it's just easy that way. You just figure out what you want and then just go ahead with it. Because I've been reading and watching news here and there that this pandemic is not leaving us anytime soon. So I really don't want to push the wedding so far also. So let's see how it's going to happen. And now that if you want to know about my wedding story, I will tell you. So now the last final step I am using is the Requel sunscreen. So they have like 3 variants of sunscreens, you guys. So this is something I'm using today. It is their oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen. I stay indoors, I don't go out, so that is the reason I don't use a lot of sunscreen. But yeah, so this pretty much, that's all for my skincare. I don't really do or go much with my skincare every single day, unless if I really want to do this therapeutics in skincare, maybe then I do like, you know, this 5 or 6 steps skincare routine or whatever. But 4 steps is good to go. So now let's talk about my wedding. So we had like n number of discussions, you guys. My wedding date is nearing, and we have this discussion every single day because I am a chronic overthinker. I think about a situation like 1,000 times before. So when it is my wedding, now imagine నేను ఎంత ఆలోచిస్తుంటానో దాని గురించి. So I've been thinking so much about it. So we are figuring out what we can do, what is the best way to get married and everything as such. I mean, we still didn't decide upon anything. We had a marriage date, we still have that on hand. So I don't know, like, I don't want to announce it prior due to many reasons. One, because of the uncertainty. Second thing, I really believe in this Dishti concept, you guys. If you are someone like me, comment below. We are friends. We are friends forever. So right after my skincare, after putting on sunscreen, what I generally do is I use mascara on my lashes as well as on my brows. It just completes my look. I really love it that way. So I just like how it makes my face look full and complete after using a mascara. And also, some little color doesn't harm anyone. I really love putting some color because it just instantly brightens up my mood. And guys, if you are someone who doesn't like lipsticks, but then if you just want one lipstick to be in your vanity anytime, I think you should just get this one. This is my 3rd bottle. Can you even believe it? That is how much I love this one. And it's very affordable, not even costly. Lately, I think I really enjoy doing something like this. You know, talking with you guys and doing my work. It's so light. I don't have this burden of being very professional or something like that. I'm just candid. I'm just the way I am, how I film it. So I think I really like this. Comment below if you also like something like this, because why not? Let's do many of these videos because I would love to. I can talk. I can go on talking for hours. So this is my look for every day, guys. Like just some 4-step skincare routine, my mascara, and then my lipstick, and you're good to go. Now let's quickly unbox this completely and let's figure out how to use. Also guys, I didn't read the manual instructions or anything as such because I'm supremely lazy today to do all of it. So I didn't do any of that, but I kind of watched a couple of YouTube videos where people have used this one. So I think I know it. I think I know how to use it, but let's see if I am able to figure it out how or not. But again, you know, devices like this, I don't think you get the grip to use anything like this in a go. Like one time if you're doing it, but if you're not able to do it, chill, don't worry. And also I never I mean, how do I tell you, I never did anything to my hair before. Like, you know, I got a straightener, you guys, from Nykaa. I think I'm super excited to get that. I got it and it's just lying there. I didn't even open the box. I didn't even straighten my hair anytime. I am very lazy to with doing my hair and all, but I think I really wanted to do something for my hair because I wanted to do something to my hair because your brows, your hair, if they are in place, you will look very sophisticated. Okay, so that is one of the reasons why I really like doing my hair. But most of the time, like 24/7, you see me, my hair will be up because it's so hot, you guys. Like anytime, even in winters, it will be up because I'm extremely lazy to do anything. So this is how it looks like. This is an Indian cable itself. Like it's not something you get. You don't get the different cable to worry about. And this is not extremely lightweight as people told me, but it is okay. And I got it from Flipkart. I will also leave a link below so that you guys can get it in case if you feel like. So now let me start. And also I never had this heat protectant hairsprays or mousse or anything as such, because as I told you, I never had this intention of doing anything. All I have is this L'Oreal Extraordinary oil serum. So I just showered, you know, so do not ever use appliances until dripping how do I tell you, wet hair. So let your hair dry a little bit. So now I'm taking a little of the serum and applying it on my hair because this is the only thing I have. This one smells really good, really good. And also, if we are not able to succeed using this hair tool and thinking how to figure a way out to do the correct thing, let's not get disappointed. Just letting you know. And also, this is not a demo or guide video, so don't follow me and do the same things because you might end up doing it differently and you might end up hating the device because for obvious reasons. Honestly, I don't even know how to use it. I don't know why I'm not even reading the manual because okay, let's just get here, and you have this setting here. Oh, it might be the dryer. I kind of think I figured out. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, so basically one thing is that never leave your hair like this and do it because it gets messy. Take a part of your hair and then try on how it one works, and then you can figure out a way to do it. So I'm just taking this front part. Let me also not take this much. Let me just take this hair here and see how it works, and if I'm able to do it, girl, you will also do it. So let's see. This is in the cold setting, you guys. Get anything? I'm not able to see anything. But did we get anything? Oh, we got straight hair? Okay. Why did I mix? Let me go get some clips and then we'll try it again. Also, after half video, I'm telling it to you now that if you have any disturbance regarding to voice in this video, please excuse me because it is very hot and I don't have AC in my room. So I had to turn on the fan because for me to survive and do this video. So please excuse me for that. And also I just did a searching in my room for clips and I only found these two. Very sad, but now let's figure it out once again. So I am only taking a particular section of the hair and not more. And this goes in here. whatever it should work. I am going to make this work. We are not letting that go. So now let me try the highest heat setting. I tried it in the cold setting, and that is what it happened. This has to be below your hair, not above. Did we get it? Guys, I kind of think getting a straight hair out of this one is very, very easy. Like you just saw, it won't even take time. But I think for curl or the blow dry look, I think it did a decent job. What do you think? Okay, let me just do it quickly and see how it goes. I'm taking another part from here. Are we liking it? I kind of definitely think that my hair looks really voluminous, because my hair generally doesn't look this way at all. I think I'm really happy with the way it made my hair look, and also it's not very difficult to use. I think I am liking it. Maybe if I get a grip of using it baga, I think I might love it then. So yeah, that's about it. I'm really happy with the purchase though, and I will link up all the details about the products and all in the description box. And also please comment below if you like something candid like this, you know, very randomly just sitting down talking with you guys and doing my stuff. I really think this is a very easy way to connect with you guys, and if you also feel the same, if we are feeling mutual, comment below and I will come out with many more videos like this. And until then, see you next time. Bye bye.